Hey guys! In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Reddit account on mobile. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. Once in the app, go to your profile in the top corner icon, open up the settings. Now scroll down in here until you see the delete account option. Click that and confirm. This will require you first to have your password reset, so you need to input here your username and email. Once you input that, an email will be sent to your email address. Open the email and just do the password reset process. Once you have reset the password, go back again to the Reddit app and select the delete account. It will ask if you are sure about this, so continue here. Then it will ask again to enter your username and password. After that, it will ask how to improve their app. This one is optional. And finally, you can now delete your account. Take note that even if you have deleted your account, all posts will still be visible. It will just show at the top of the post, deleted, but the post is still fully visible. So if you do not want that, you first have to delete all your posts one by one. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you. Once again, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.